Enggak.
In the vast landscapes of healthcare, some battles remain hidden, fought on the front line by dedicated health workers confronting challenge that often escape our attention. Imagine a mother, determined but burdened, striving to nourish her child against the backdrop of limited research and access to crucial healthcare information. Child stunting is caused by children being malnourished within 2 years of their age. And did you know, in 2022, 22.3% or more than 1 in 5 children under age 5 had stunt growth, of which 6.3 million are from Indonesia, ranks 5 in the world. And currently, the prevalence of stunting in Indonesia is 21.6%, while the target to be achieved is 14% by 2024. And for this reason, joint efforts are needed to achieve the targets that have been set, one of which starts from the smallest units in society, families, and health officers around. The consequences for the child are long-term impacts on their cognitive development, educational achievements, and future opportunities. The country too will face the healthcare burden, economic consequences, and intergenerational cycle.
Okay, next let me introduce VR product. It is the denting. Denting is the application can be help the parents to detection risk of stunting in the little children. This application have the 6 feature. The first detection of risk of stunting, detection of nutrition, detection find the nutrients, search BMI, search the hospital and about app and article. Next. Okay. The advantage of the advantage of the denting. First, has many feature. Second, between the one feature in another feature has been R correlation. Three, user-friendly UI can be easy measure and for the parents. Apps comparison of denting. You can see like this ya. We are comparison with the Gizi Nusantara. There is in there in the different the GPS feature the denting has the one have one and the Gizi Nusantara not have it. And stunting risk in the Gizi Nusantara not have it and food nutrition Gizi Nusantara not have it. Next in the machine learning. Machine learning have using the five library. Yeah, it is TensorFlow, Skitlearn, Pandas, NumPy, Flux, and Joblib. It is the dataset from the restart stunting detection. And then training model after we are get the dataset, we collect in the Redshift CSV using the Pandas library, and we are make it the label and attribute data, and we are training the data using the test training split using scikit-learn, and we are train the model with decision tree model, and the result is it like this. You can see like this. The majority has been accuracy has been 1. After this, I tried the randomly input and get the lack of the risk of stunting. Next.
Okay, the next feature is to detect the nutrients in food through food photos, where users can upload picture or take picture directly. This feature uses image classification with the help of TensorFlow, which is implemented with CNN or convolutional neural network. In this case, we use 5 classes for labeling of training and validation data, and we also train up to 50 epochs and get about 80 accuracy. You can see on the screen where we use fruit as example, which are apple and mango, and predicting was got correct after predicting the image. Then the application screen will show the nutritional content of the food. That is how this feature works. Next.
The next is a mobile development learning path. Next. What did we do? At first, we designed the UI UX for the application using Figma. Second, we integrating the API for the login register, food detection, and stunting detection API to the app. And the last, we building the app using Kotlin language in the Android Studio. Next. The tool that we use for building this app is, at first, is Android Studio. Second is Kotlin for the language. Third is Figma for the designing UI UX. And the fourth, we use Firebase for the authentication. And the last, we use Maps for the hospital feature. Next.
The design process involves analyzing user needs, placement of key elements, color selection, and easy-to-understand navigation. Design consistency across the app was also a priority to ensure a well-rounded user experience. Here are some of the design applications we implemented. On the main page, we present the main feature of the app. Each feature has been customized according to the needs of the application. Next. In terms of user authentication, our app offers two options. First, user can log in with Google account via Firebase authentication, and second, user can log in via email and password. We have integrated an API system that ensures secure login and registration. Next.
The next code computing tools for create a private API is JWT and Postman. Next. The purpose of using HP2 HTTP balancer is to maintain the stability of the external IP address when the server experiences downtime. Its function is related to resource management in the cloud computing environment, particularly on Compute Engine. Next. Through HTTP balancer, all resources, including database and model deployed on Cloud Run, can be accessed efficiently. Thus, when the server experiences disruption or goes down, the external IP address remains content, ensuring uninterrupted service availability in the overall resource management.
Okay, next the SWOT. You can see like this in SWOT as we have the many feature and weakness. In the weakness we are not have they get target in the above under 90 per accuracy. In the opportunity we have the hack starting in Indonesia make me have the probability to have the benefit. We are bringing benefit to the other people in Indonesia, and the threats we have the introduction to society. Next, business plan partnership we will brand to hospital, government, food, brand and nutrition. Okay. Next, it is funding allocation. We are have the 40% for additional and budget team salary, additional and reset operation of 40%, and marketing sales to 120%. And income we can see like this. Total income has been predicted in the 1 year is the 773 million rupiah. And the development planning has been like this. In the 3 month first, we are to launch about beta version and implement the feedback, and to research about market research, and after market research we will study from the feedback, and to join finishing this application in the June. Yeah, in the future plan we will be training the data until 100 class, and collaboration with another company and discuss with the expert to improve the model. Okay, thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.